Hello, français 2, bonjour. Aujourd'hui, on va prendre les professions et métiers. So, today we're going to learn about professions and jobs. Let's go ahead and talk about these. Un pharmacien. So, you should go ahead and repeat it. To make sure that your French pronunciation comes into place. So, go ahead and repeat. Un pharmacien, une pâtissière, une bouchère, une commerçante, un charcutier, une caissière, un boulanger, un fleuriste, un pharmacien, une pharmacienne, un commerçant, une commerçante, un boulanger, une boulangère, un boucher, une bouchère, un pâtissier, une pâtissière, un charcutier, une charcutière, un fleuriste, une fleuriste, un caissier, une caissière. Alright, as you have noticed, on the left side you have the masculine and the right side you have the feminine. And you can go and refer to the picture to know what the meanings are. Okay? Il est content. Il est heureux. Okay? For this, check the picture. Okay? Il est triste. Il est triste. Il est jeune. Il est jeune. Il est âgé. Il est âgé. Okay? So basically here you have to make sure you don't say il est âge. You have the accent aigu. So you will say il est âgé. Elle est mince. Elle est de taille moyenne. Elle est grande. Ok? Donc, grande, moyenne, mince. Here, mince means just skinny. Okay, taille moyenne, average size, and grande, she's tall. Okay, so you can go back, stop the tape, the video, and replay as much as you want. So let's go ahead and move on. Okay, elle est aimable. Elle est aimable. Elle est pénible. Elle est pénible. Il est facile. Il est difficile. Okay. Facile, you can check the operation, and then difficile, difficult, facile, easy. Il est riche. Il est riche. Il est pauvre. Il est pauvre. Poor. Jean-Luc est en avance. Jean-Luc est en avance. Ok, il est 19 heures. Jean-Luc arrive à 6h15. Donc, il est en avance. Assia est à l'heure. Assia est à l'heure. Ok, le film est à 19h. Assia arrive à 19h. So, Assia est à l'heure. Nicole est en retard. Nicole est en retard. Le film est à 19h. Nicole arrive à 19h30. 19h30. So, elle est en retard. Alright. So, For the previous slide, you can go ahead and restart again once, as I said, repeat it so that you can get the pronunciation down. So if you have your book, go ahead and open to page 58. If you don't have your book, I will actually show the slide here. It's for the sake of having your book for page 58. So on this conversation culturelle, we have Etienne and Aurélie. Okay, Etienne is waiting for his friend Aurélie at the exit of the Champs-Élysées. Clemenceau, okay, is a metro station, train station, subway station in Paris. So they are going to see an art exhibit at the Grand Palais. Okay, let's go ahead and read the conversation. Okay, Etienne says, Enfin, j'ai attendu une demi-heure. Aurélie says, Désolé, mais je suis en retard parce que je viens d'aider mon oncle dans sa pâtisserie, près du Panthéon. Mon oncle est très aimable, mais il est toujours trop occupé. C'est difficile d'être pâtissier. Moi, je pense devenir pharmacien. J'ai choisi de faire une première S. Et moi, je voudrais travailler dans un musée dont j'ai envie d'aller à cette exposition. Allons-y. Okay, let's go ahead and just deconstruct this dialogue. Enfin, okay, enfin here means finally. Okay, finally. I have waited. J'ai attendu une demi-heure. I have waited for half an hour. Okay, and then Aurélie c'est désolé. Désolé means sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Mais, je suis en retard parce que je viens d'aider mon oncle. I'm late, en retard, because I just helped my uncle. Je viens, remember the verb venir plus infinitive, which means something you just did. Ok, je viens d'aider mon oncle dans sa pâtisserie. I just helped my uncle in his pastry shop next to the Pantheon. Ok, mon oncle est très aimable. My uncle is very nice. But il est toujours trop occupé. He is always too busy. Trop means too. Okay, too much, like too busy. Okay. Etienne says, c'est difficile d'être pâtissier. It's difficult to be a pastry maker. Okay. Me or I think, je pense, I'm thinking becoming pharmacist. Okay. I chose to take a scientific. Premiere is actually equivalent to 10, 11 grades here. Right? It's a class before you get to be senior, the last terminal in France. In French-speaking countries, we have a terminal. Terminal is the last class before you go to university, corresponding to 12 grades here. So, je vais prendre une première scientifique. Okay, scientifique, once again, in those countries, you have to decide on a major when you get into high school. So, scientifique, science. Okay, and Aurélie c'est moi, je voudrais travailler dans un musée. I would like to work in a museum. So, I want to go to this fair exposition. So, let's go. Allons-y, let's go there. Allons-y, let's go. Okay, so make sure you get this word, each this dialogue, every single word, you need to know them. And if you still don't remember, just move back, pause it, and restart it again, and go over each word so you know it. Okay, let's go for next. For the sake of your practice, we're gonna go ahead and practice activity 2, answering the questions that we from the text we just read. Okay. So number 1, okay, qui est-ce que Etienne attend? This is like a reading comprehension. You read it and then you answer the questions. So qui est-ce que Etienne attend? Okay, who is Etienne waiting for? Etienne attend. Okay, hopefully you say il attend Aurélie. Aurélie. Okay, numéro 2. Pourquoi est-ce que Aurélie est en retard? Pourquoi? Why? Okay. Is Aurélie late? Pourquoi est-ce que Aurélie est en retard? Okay, you know she's late because she just helped her uncle in his pastry shop. Okay, but what would you answer? Hopefully you have this. Elle vient d'aider son oncle dans sa pâtisserie. 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 Ok. Numéro 3. D'après Aurélie, est-ce que son oncle est pénible? According to Aurélie, is her uncle mean or annoying? Non, il est très aimable. No, he's lovely. He's very nice. Ok? Non, il est très aimable. Numéro 4. Est-ce qu'Étienne pense devenir pâtissier? Est-ce qu'Étienne pense devenir pâtissier? Is Etienne thinking of to becoming a pastry maker? Okay. Non, il pense devenir pharmacien. Okay. No, he's thinking becoming pharmacist. Non, il pense devenir pharmacien. Numéro 5. Qu'est-ce qu'Étienne a choisi de faire? What does he choose to do? Il a choisi de faire une première S. Okay. Il a choisi de faire une première S. Numéro 6. Où est-ce qu'Aurélie veut travailler? Where does she want to work? Où est-ce que Aurélie veut travailler? Elle veut travailler dans un musée. Okay, she wants to work in a museum. Elle veut travailler dans un musée. And finally, où vont Aurélie et Étienne? Où vont Aurélie et Étienne? Où means where are Aurélie and Étienne going? Okay. Ils vont à une exposition au Grand Palais. Alright? Hopefully you understand this. Now for the the question you're going to be answering and turning in today will be this activity 3. Activity 3. I actually skip activity 2 and 4. Okay, so we're just going to do activity 3. You're going to go ahead and answer activity 3 and turn in your answers on that model, right? So it says donner la profession, le métier de la personne dans la photo. So basically here you have to give the profession or the job of the person on the picture. So for example, this one here, il est commerçant. Okay, il est commerçant. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give number 1 just to get it going. Number 1, numéro 1. We say elle est boulangère. Elle est boulangère. Okay, she's a baker. Okay, you can see here she's a female and she's making bread. So go ahead and do the rest and turn it in. On this note, have a good day and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Au revoir. À bientôt.